Krapiva! Ah! Oh, so many nettles. It's painful. Hi and welcome back to Plant Hunter TV. As I promised in last video, I'm gonna take care about this branch today, and don't have really a good saw, and the chainsaw no fuel for it, so I'm going to do it with hand. We will see how much energy I have. We just got home from cheese market, not just cheese but a lot of cheese, but it was fun. But it's hot today, so it just took a little bit of the energy I had. Really bad angle to work with. Marsh, can you come hold the branch? If you want. My wife is taking over now. Say hi.
Hey! Now you will see how women saw. Hope I will do it right.
It's okay. Yeah. I don't know if it's better.
Wait. Isn't it easier to break it?
Yeah, but I'm afraid it will break off all the way down.
I will sew it till October.
So apparently they don't want me to work hard, so they brought the chainsaw. I always say safety first, but in Russia it doesn't matter how much I say it. So here we're doing it without sewing pants, without safety goggles, without gloves, without helmet. There we go. If you see here, it's rotten, it's just finger goes inside. So I guess, oh, it goes deep. Kind of rotten, and see the hole there, it's just right in. So basically now I need to cut the tree into smaller pieces so we can move it. big piece. So I guess that was this branch. We're finished with it. So we'll just take a short break. This is the first one I'm going to work with. It's like twin trunks. It got some scarring. We will see how that heals over with time. But basically I'm going to just cut it back, all the branches in, cut back to a leaf that faces outward, and then next spring hopefully it will push out new branches, even maybe down below. Remove all the dead branches. And this is going to... It's very strong in the apex, so that we need to cut down back. Going to do the same with this one. First remove everything. Whoa, nettles. Oh, nettles are really not nice to touch. Whew. Okay, so it's very low, high, I mean. Whoa, it's burning in my hands. Whoa, it's like fire. I think we have like that. There is a small tiny branch here. I don't think it's going to survive winter. But this long branch I'm going to save. I'm not going to touch it. But the rest of them I'm going to try to cut in like a ball shape. And these we have two more. It's difficult to see the structure of them, there's so much weed under. But these two I will cut very short, just to see how they behave. The first one, they have some branches low. And here it's split off into two. We'll cut this off and this off, and the branches that I will cut in like this. See, that's one is hanging here also, and this one I will just cut low down, no branches, anything. Has some branches, but it splits into three here, so I'm just going to cut just under the split. I will cut in, shorten, no directional pruning, just short. Small tiny trees, hopefully for next year. Next one is some kind of plum, no fruits, too young. And now it reveals itself, it's two trees. This one I'm going to cut low. This will be experiment. Cut low. This one also gonna cut low. Like that. Maybe even shorten it down. Yeah. Like that. Perfecto. It's a lot of spikes on this tree. It's gonna take some time to clean out. A lot of dead branches. Some of the branches I will leave to do air layers from in the spring. Will be a lot of air layers. There we go. Very sour. You can see the leaves. I think it's done now. The interior is cleaned out. The weed under is cleaned out. The branches have been cut, trimmed. Off to the next one. Here we have a black currant. That is some really old branches. So I'm gonna remove all those old branches and let those new young ones take over for next year. One of these old branches I will leave because I would really like to do an air layer on this one and do a bonsai from a currant. So this one I will leave, and all the young ones I will also leave. But I will shorten it. Just to remove the weight from it. In here we have a plum, some kind of plum, but this branch, it's just turning in here, so we'll cut this off, leave this main stem, and then next year try to shorten it to get nice branches down low. Oh, there's so many nettles here. Krapiva! Ah! Oh, there's so many nettles. It's painful. We just start by cutting it high up. There we go. Krapiva. Like that. This branch needs to take off. It's damaging other stuff here. Here we have a lot of shoots that comes from the roots there. So it's full of them. You see all the sticks. Those needs to be removed. And it's a lot of them. Even though they're kind of thick, it cuts them like butter sometimes. Now after I think 40 minutes we cleaned out the space here. This is all the branches under the tree we cut down. This tree I will leave. Try to move in here. And this is the area I cut. And we have decided on cutting all the branches up to this point, so we can next year flatten this ground and make it like a parking spot. So all the branches here, roots, shoots, will also be removed. So I think it's time to cut this big branch so you can work a little bit more easily. Tired, hard work today, but it's super fun. Everybody should do this. I'm gonna start by cutting a little bit under so I can cut over, and if the branch would tear, it wouldn't tear all the way down, it would stop where I'm doing the cut under. So it's very simple principle of cutting, pruning branches. Very effective to not damage the tree more. So I cut here, and then I will cut a little bit higher up on the top side. So when it flakes, it will stop. I hope it's visible so you can see what I mean. There we go. There. So it stopped here. But I'm anyway going to saw it here, but to remove load, the weight, so it wouldn't happen here, because we're anyway gonna save the tree, so we don't want to damage it. And now I can easily cut here without feeling any pressure of damaging the underside. And I'm not going to cut it flush like we do in bonsai, because here it's in Swedish krage, and we want that because that's going to help the tree, mosquitoes, branch, the tree to heal over the big scar. And this saw sucks. There we go. So nice clean cut, as little damage as possible. That was simple. So same technique here, not too close, clean cut, and now it looks like this. We finally finished around the whole tree. This was fully grown, couldn't see the backside, and these pieces of trees, branches, root, shoots, I'm saving to next year dig up to make bonsai. So I don't know how long I want them, so that's why they are in different lengths. Thank you guys for watching. Today was crazy hard, really hard work, and there's so many midges. I have coils on, mosquito coils, but they anyway bite and they attack the eyes. Not fun to work with. But really did progress today. This backside, couldn't even see the fence, and super happy. Now I got some helpers to help me clean up all these branches that I've cut. So next episode we will continue with pruning. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button. Really appreciate it. See you next time, and thank you for watching. 2 days after filming I am home now, and this is how my eye looks like after all the flies and mosquitoes and different things that bite me. My legs and arms looks worst. Super painful. But it still was fun.